So I've been trying to work out ways where I could be more productive, and what that means for this channel and some ideas that I'm toying with is that I've just got to clear up the workspace. I know I've been working at it over time, but it just takes forever, and I've just got to get it done. But another part of it is I've got to have a better workspace in which to work. Between the sun, the wind and the rain, there's a lot of times when I just can't get stuff done, and the constant having to unpack and then repack and so on is driving me nuts, because the combination of me not getting around to it, but also the weather forecast not changing every single day at the moment. They don't seem to be being, their 2-day, 3-day forecasts don't seem to be very accurate. And then if I don't check it on the morning and there's rain, then the tools get wet, and it's just a nightmare. And what I've tried to do with tarps has worked okay, so I've got a new plan. The project right now that I'm prioritising is getting a covered workspace built so I can work relatively comfortably in the weather. So it needs to be shaded from the sun, and it needs to be, you know, weatherproof, so that, you know, it doesn't get rained on. My work doesn't get rained on, and try and keep it neater. But then when it comes to the videos, what I'm going to try and do is film off and on during the day, and then at the end of the day produce a video. And that's going to mean that some projects get finished and you see the whole thing from start to finish on the day. Other times maybe not so much, and where that's the case, I'm going to try and break it up into steps, and then at the end of the step, okay, produce a video. Sometimes though, it's going to mean that the video is going to finish, the project's not finished, the step's not finished, and this is where you guys can help, because what could happen, and I predict will happen, is I might not get back to it. And so if that's the case, and you want to see the conclusion or the next step or the next bit of the step, you guys need to hassle me, hold me to account, so that I get back to it and get it done. Because the way I've been trying to do it is just not working. I've got so many videos on the computer, projects that are kind of half done, mostly done, that I'm not getting back to, and it's just taking me too much headspace to kind of try and organize those and plan those out. It's just not working. So this is a new strategy. It might not be the best way to do things in terms of professionally producing videos or anything like that, but if it gets more done, I think it's going to be it's the best strategy for me and my head, given it doesn't work very well a lot of the time. And I hope you guys still appreciate the stuff I put out. But anyway, stay tuned for the first one of those coming up real soon.